What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. We have another call to go on, and this time is a leaking shower valve. So ride along with me and find out how to change out a leaking shower valve step by step. So let's get there and get set up. This is the shower valve we'll be replacing. The first thing you want to do is turn off your main water valve to the house. You can turn it off at the street, or if you have a cutoff valve in the house, you can cut it off there. And for most single handle faucets, you're gonna have an Allen screw that's located right beneath the handle. And you want to take your Allen wrench, turn it counterclockwise. That's where the screw is located at. Want to make sure. And next you're gonna have a Phillips head screw here and here. I'm gonna take off. On these, this is your actual valve. So this is your screw plate. So you want to take it and screw it counterclockwise. This is your valve, so we have to replace this valve. So let's go and see if we can find this one. We were able to find the matching valve, which is, it's a Delta 14 series valve, and all you would do is take this to your local plumbing supply and match it up. And one thing they do sell for the bad valve that's leaking, usually if you have a Delta valve like this that's leaking, it's usually your two washers that are here, this one and this one, and they do sell the kit for that. It comes with a spring that's inside of here, and you put the washers in and replace it. But this one, if you can see inside, is kind of corroded, so instead of doing the washers and cleaning that up, just went ahead and bought a new valve. So if you want to, you can replace your two O-rings there, clean that up, and the way it goes together is it lines up and turns and it locks in. So instead, we're gonna put a new valve in, and the way it goes in, if you can see, it has two notches left and right here, and you have a notch that's there and a notch there. You want to line those up. Make sure it's pushed all the way in, and put it back together in reverse order. The ring, cap. There's an O-ring here on your cap. Want to pull forward, slide it on, and your plate. There are 2 holes, one here and one here. Want to line those up. Handle. So let's test, make sure everything works. And no more leaks. So that takes care of everything. And that's how you change out a shower valve. So if you have a leaking shower valve, I hope this video helps. There are many different types of shower valves. So once you remove yours, just take it to your local plumbing supply and have them match it up. Or you can get the new O-rings and washers that comes in the rebuild kit. So whichever way you decide, hope this video helps. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification for upcoming videos. Until next time, we'll talk to you later.